What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best vertical monitors in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Looking for an affordable yet quality monitor? The HP VH240A is our top pick for the best budget vertical monitor of 2024. This monitor stands out in the budget category due to its high contrast ratio, which is rarely found in IPS panels, and its exceptional sRGB color coverage. The HP VH240A comes equipped with a flexible stand, offering unmatched ergonomics at its price point, complemented by a pair of built-in 2-watt speakers. It features a 23.8-inch in-plane switching IPS display that provides full HD 1080p resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels, and a 16:9 aspect ratio. With a commendable pixel density of 92 pixels per inch PPI, it's ideal for standard home or office use, although those involved in photo or video editing may prefer a monitor with higher pixel density. One of the strengths of the VH240A, as is typical with IPS displays, is its broad viewing angles, rated at 178 degrees both vertically and horizontally, measuring 19.7 by 21.2 by 8.6 inches HVD and weighing 10.3 pounds. The VH240A is slightly larger and heavier than most 24-inch monitors, owing to its sturdy stand. Unlike many budget monitors that only support tilt adjustment, the HP VH240A stand offers a wide range of ergonomic comfort features. The VH240A also features VESA mount compatibility with 4 holes on the back, spaced 100 millimeters apart, allowing you to mount the screen on a wall or attach it to a movable arm. With a pixel refresh rate of 60 Hz, it lacks adaptive sync technology, which may make it less attractive to casual gamers due to potential screen tearing or stuttering. The VH240A is equipped with 2 small built-in 2-watt speakers and 1/8-inch auxiliary input for audio source connectivity. While the sound quality is not exceptional, it delivers adequate performance considering its price point. In conclusion, the HP VH240A 23.8-inch FHD IPS monitor provides an honest offering that should serve as a reliable additional display for coders, video editors, and general users. A thumbs up for this budget-friendly yet quality monitor. In the quest for a high-quality vertical monitor that offers a powerful blend of value and performance, the BenQ PD2700Q stands out as an exceptional choice. This particular model has earned our recommendation as the best value vertical monitor available in 2024. The BenQ PD2700Q designer monitor is specifically designed to cater to the needs of CAD/CAM users, content creators, and photo editors. This 27-inch business monitor uses in-plane switching IPS technology to deliver robust grayscale performance and impressive viewing angles. It stands on an ergonomically designed stand and boasts 100% Rec 709 HD TV and sRGB color gamut coverage. The monitor also provides a variety of preset image options, enhancing its usability across different tasks. The monitor's design is minimalist, featuring a basic black cabinet housing the 27-inch IPS panel. The non-reflective screen is framed by slim 0.75-inch bezels and delivers a resolution of 2560 by 1440 WQHD. It offers a maximum brightness of 350 CDM2, a native contrast ratio of 1000:1, and a 16:9 aspect ratio. Its 10-bit panel covers 100% of the sRGB and Rec 709 color spaces, enabling accurate color reproduction. One standout feature of the BenQ PD2700Q is its dual display functionality, which allows for side-by-side comparison of screen content without requiring 2 monitors. The cabinet is supported by a rectangular stand and mounting arm that provides tilt, swivel, height, and pivot adjustments for optimal viewing comfort. If preferred, the stand can be removed to mount the monitor on the wall using the 4 VESA mounting holes in an optional mounting kit. The monitor offers various picture settings, including brightness, contrast, sharpness, gamma, dynamic contrast, aspect ratio, and color temperature. Its fully adjustable stand and built-in USB 2.0 hub enhance workspace customization. The BenQ PD2700Q also comes with built-in speakers to save desk space without compromising on sound quality. Each BenQ designer monitor is individually factory calibrated during production to ensure precise delta E and gamma performance. With the BenQ PD2700Q monitor's darkroom, CAD/CAM, and animation display modes, creatives and designers can streamline their workflow, as these modes accentuate image details to facilitate easier editing, creation, and visualization. Introducing the Asus ProArt Display PA278CV, a top contender in the mid-range vertical monitor category for 2024. This monitor stands out due to its impressive value for money, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking to undertake tasks such as photo or video editing, design and creative work, casual productivity tasks, and even light gaming. Equipped with more than just a color-calibrated screen, the ProArt PA278CV's array of ports, including USB-C with DP Alt mode and 65-volt charging, along with a USB-A hub, render it highly highly efficient when paired with a laptop. The monitor's design strikes a balance between functionality and aesthetics, featuring an ergonomic stand and an appealing, slightly industrial look that can seamlessly blend with any desk setup. Setting up the ProArt PA278CV is straightforward, as it arrives mostly assembled. Users only need to attach the base plate to the vertical stand, simplifying the process significantly. Asus includes a power cable, eliminating the need for an external power source, which ensures a tidier setup. It also comes with USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort cables to cater to your connectivity needs. The stand offers flexibility with its ability to swivel, tilt, adjust in height, and rotate for vertical orientation. If you prefer to free up desk space, the display's VESA compatibility allows for wall mounting. The ProArt PA278CV offers an ample selection of ports, most of which are conveniently located along the bottom edge of the raised rear section. These include 2 USB-A and 3.5mm audio ports, with an additional 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports on the display's left side, ensuring easy access. Video connections include a USB-C port with DP Alt Mode, HDMI 1.4, and 2 DisplayPort 1.2. The 27-inch IPS panel of the ProArt PA278CV has a resolution of 2560 by 1440 QHD with a 16:9 aspect ratio. It's compact enough to fit on any desk without taking up too much space, and the pixel density, approximately 109 pixels per inch, provides a sharp image even without a 4K screen. To round off, the PA278CV boasts a 5 millisecond GDG response time, a 75 Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync, and a non-glare finish for optimum visibility in bright environments. Introducing the LG U27UK850W, a vertical monitor that has earned its place as the second best choice in the category for 2024, according to our analysis and user feedback. While it isn't primarily a gaming monitor, it packs several features that gamers will appreciate, such as HDR support, AMD's adaptive synchronization technology, a quick response rate, and the advantages of an IPS panel, all topped off with 4K resolution. The 27UK850W boasts a minimalist and streamlined design. Its base features a semicircular silver curve that provides sturdy support. The monitor's bezels are impressively thin, with only a 7mm black border separating the edge of the monitor from the start of the display, approximately 19mm for the bottom bezel. A joystick button located beneath the bottom bezel controls menu navigation and power, eliminating the need for front-facing buttons. In terms of connectivity, the 27UK850W is equipped with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2 port, and USB-C port. All inputs comply with HDCP 2.2, ensuring seamless 4K content handling from 4K consoles, UHD Blu-ray players, and streaming devices. The monitor utilizes an IPS panel, bringing along the inherent benefits and drawbacks of this technology. It delivers excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles, along with the typical brightness levels associated with IPS. Though its response time is slower than TN panels, it can be reduced to 5 milliseconds with response time adjustment. The native 4K resolution offers stunning detail, significantly outperforming 1440p. It doubles the resolution of a 1080p screen and provides 50% more than a 27-inch 1440p monitor. The size can be adjusted up to 150% for readability, similar to a 1440p screen. LG's on-screen control software allows you to adjust the limited set of menu options without using the joystick button, including picture mode, contrast, brightness, and gamer settings. The 27-inch display offers the convenience of USB Type-C connectivity and HDCP 2.2 compatibility, enabling seamless 4K content display from various sources. The USB Type-C port also supports 4K video display, data transfer, and charging of laptops' mobile devices simultaneously via a single cable, offering a new level of convenience. Thumbs up, that's for sure. As we step into 2024, the Dell U2723QE takes the crown as the best overall vertical monitor available in the market. The Dell UltraSharp U2723QE is a testament to Dell's commitment to producing high-quality monitors, and it stands out with its unrivaled connectivity options and color precision. The Dell U2723QE, an upgrade to its already impressive range of monitors, offers breathtaking image quality and 4K USB-C connectivity and power. Its popularity among users isn't surprising given its comprehensive connectivity options, 4K panel with superior color accuracy, and a price tag much more palatable for Mac users compared to the Studio Display. This monitor is not just a visual display unit, it doubles up as an efficient USB hub. For those considering purchasing a separate USB hub or dock such as the CalDigit TS4, the U2723QE could be a cost-effective alternative. Much like its predecessor, the U2720K, it comes with a USB-C port that connects your laptop to the monitor, provides up to 90 watts of charging, projects a 4K image onto the screen, and allows for access to all devices connected via the rear ports. While the U2723QE lacks built-in speakers, it compensates with an audio output port for connecting external audio devices such as speakers or headphones. The monitor is replete with USB ports, a USB-C port, 4 USB-A ports, and additionally, USB-C and USB-A port at the bottom for quick and easy flash drive connections. The quick access USB-C port offers up to 15 volts loss of power, ideal for charging gadgets like your iPhone or Apple Watch while at your desk. The build quality of the U2723QE aligns with the robustness characteristic of the Dell UltraSharp series. Although made entirely of plastic, it exhibits minimal creaking or bending when handled. A noteworthy enhancement from its previous version is the revamp of the menu buttons, replacing the inconveniently mushy buttons at the bottom of the monitor. The U2723QE boasts a 27-inch IPS 4K panel that delivers remarkable color accuracy, with switchable modes within the menu system. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 vertical monitors in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.